Type conversions in Java. In this class, I will explain about the type conversions in Java. Here, as the name says that type conversion means changing a variable of one data type into the another data type. Whether if you want to change one type of data into another type of data, we need a concept. That concept is called as a type conversion. There are two kinds here. The type conversion is two types. The first one is called as implicit type conversion. The second one is called as explicit conversion. The implicit conversion, it is also called as a type promotion, or it is also called as a widening conversion. Here, this conversion is done by the compiler. The implicit type conversion is automatically done by the compiler. In the case of the implicit point of view, safe. Why? Because there is no data loss. Why? Because we are converting smaller type into higher type. There is no loss of the data here. It converts the smaller type to the larger type here. Implicit meaning is it is done by the automatically done by the compiler. That's why the name is called as the implicit type conversion. It is also called as a type promotion, or it is also called as a widening conversion. Widening means nothing but the smaller type to the larger type here. And this is the order. The byte can be converted to short. Short can be converted to int. Int can be converted to long. Long can be converted to the float. Float can be converted to the double here. Means we are increasing the smaller type to the higher type only. This type of conversion is called as the implicit conversion. Here I give one simple code here. Integer num equals 100. I am declaring one variable. The variable name is a num and the value is 100. The num is an integer variable. Double d equals num here. Actually, the num is a integer variable, but the d is a double variable here. In this point of view, automatically the compiler converts int to the double here. That's why this concept is called as the implicit type conversion. System.out.println integer value plus num. What is the num value? 100. The integer value is 100. Print system.out.println double plus d. The value is 100.0. This is about the implicit. Come to the explicit type conversion. It is also called as a casting or narrow conversion. Here in this point of view, this is done by the casting operator type here. We have tried the corresponding type in the brackets here. May result in the data loss or the overflow. Why? Because we are converting high large type data into the smaller type here. Whenever we are converting higher type to lower type, automatically the data can be lost here. Convert the large type to smaller type here. See this one, integer d equals 99.99 means the d value is a double variable. Int num equals to integer of d. We are converting the d is a double variable, double to integer. This is called as a narrow conversion, explicit type conversion. System.out.println the double value is 99.99, but in this point of view the integer value of the after casting is the 99 only. We are losing this data here, zero point 0.9 will be lost here. That's why in the case of the explicit conversion point of view, the data loss will be occurred. Conversion meaning is the converting one type of data to the another type here. It is two types, implicit and the explicit. Implicit is done by the compiler. Here there is no data loss. Explicit is done by the programmer itself. Here there is a chance of losing the data here.